Head harvester Bill Arden for the West Coast. We're at Lawn and Landscape Technology Conference here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm in the booth here with Rainbow Ecoscience. I got Mark here. Mark, tell us about what's this all about, this Rainbow Ecoscience?
Great, well thanks Bill. So Rainbow Ecoscience, we're based out of Minnesota and we make a lot of products for the tree and landscape industry. For the landscape industry, our prime product really is TrimTech. TrimTech is a plant growth regulator really designed to help keep your shrubs looking great for 3, 4, 5 months. Consider it like hairspray for shrubs. So you spray it and it looks great and takes away that defect, right? So that's the biggest takeaway on the growth regulator side. The other great product I think we have right now is OnMark. OnMark is our non-glyphosate alternative. So it's non-glyphosate mixed with some other post-emergent and some pre-emergent to give you that synergistic 3-4 month control that everyone's looking for, right? So those are the two great products I think that Rainbow Ecoscience has to at least try for your toolbox in 2023, 2024.
So using that, you get more efficient with your workforce, maybe lower your pricing, be more competitive, create less debris, damaging the earth and filling up all the dump fees and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, so we're all struggling with labor. So labor is, a consistent issue in our 30, 40-year history. Labor's been a consistent challenge, right? So when the quality of labor and the supply of labor is down, we suffer. And so if we can take away these, these repetitive defects that are on sites, shrub pruning, weeds are the big calls that we all get. These are tools that can help alleviate that that concern that many people face.
Good stuff. So listen, folks, there's a couple lessons here. Reduce your workforce input by using smart chemicals, that are earth friendly, right?
Yeah.
And all registered in most all states.
Yep. OnMark isn't registered in California yet. We're working on that.
Oh, you better
January 1.
You better get on that one, Mark, because we sure could use a lot of that out there.
It takes a little time, so we're getting there.
Yeah, as you know, Roundup is in many cities is not being able to use it anymore. So this could be a great alternative. So we'll stay tuned. What's the ETA for that?
We're hoping January 1.
Excellent.
Yep. But it's registered in all the other states.
Super. Bill Arden from the West Coast. Now go out there and harvest your potential and be smart, work smart, and use plant growth regulators and then maybe a whole PHC department. We'll see you soon.